our 240 voltage bone meat saw. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of at least 29 inches, depth of 30¼ inches. Height from the bottom to the top of the work area, we have 36 inches in height. And the overall height of the top portion, we have at least 32½ inches tall. Coming to the front will be a conveyor surface to hold and store your products and can be shifted left and right. Coming to the center will be the area for the bone meat cutting process. Covered by a shield that can be swung open will be the bone meat saw. And for the overall height, for the area where the portions of the slabs of meat will be cut, will be 14 inches in height. And coming to the front and the back of the bone meat saw will be 2 rivets that can be loosened or tightened to insert your slab of meat, whatever you're cutting, into this area. And depending on the thickness of that slab, it can be compressed into either narrow or widen as the meat is dragged and cut with the bone meat saw. So the rivets on the left and the right area can be loosened or tightened. That way it can accommodate the thickness and slab of the size of the meat. So that way when it's being cut, it can be dragged left and right. Coming to the bottom of the meat saw will be a box for waste. And the measurements for the waste box itself, we have 13 inches in length by 13½ inches in depth by 5 inches in height. And coming to the top will be 2 buttons for on and off. And the back will be the 220/240 voltage that's required for hookup to operate this bone meat saw. And coming to the side will be the technical information along with the ETL certification for this unit. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.